Today's tap along sequence is all about relaxing your mind and relaxing your body. We live in a busy, non-stop world, and this short video is here to help you relax. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. This video is part of my EFT, that's Emotional Freedom Technique series. And if you would like to know a little bit more about EFT, then please check out this video. It's an introductory video, it's quite short, but it explains about the this alternative therapy of EFT and the different tapping points and so on. This video has got timestamps in it, so if you want to skip ahead to the tap along sequence, feel free. The timestamps are available in the video description. And since I've been recording these EFT tap along sequences, I've created a playlist on YouTube that contains all of these videos. So if you want to take a look at the different topics that I've already covered, then you can access the playlist up here. I also sell companion EFT products in my Etsy shop, which is selfcarekaren.etsy.com. And one of the companion products that I sell is writing and recording a custom EFT sequence for you, so something that's completely personalised. And also, if there is a topic that you would like me to cover in a future video, then please just let me know in the comments. If you're anything like me, sometimes you really struggle to relax. Sometimes I find it hard to stop the thoughts whirling in my head. And when I feel like that, I feel like I need to do. And I know actually what I really need to do is stop, pause, relax deeply. So I've written this script to help with just that kind of a situation. And you know, EFT really is an effective way of working through your limiting beliefs and any kind of emotional blocks that you might have. And it's really a great therapy to turn away from a negative thought pattern that's kind of keeping you stuck somewhere, and turning more to a positive thought pattern so that you really can live your best life. Okay, don't worry if you know nothing about EFT, you haven't seen my introductory video or any other kind of introductory video. You can just follow along by saying what I say and doing what I do. It's very easy. So as always, just try and take a moment or two to check in with how you're feeling. Pause me if you need to do that. Get comfortable, and then just start to breathe with awareness. So be really aware of the breath that you're taking in and the breath that you're releasing. Try and be somewhere quiet, somewhere where you're not going to be disturbed, and take in a deep breath. And we're going to start with the karate chop, which is your hand like hiya, and you tap with 4 or 2 or 1 finger, however you prefer. I give myself permission to fully relax, and I love and accept myself. I am ready to let go of my concerns and worries, and I love and honour myself. I allow myself to be calm and centred, and I love and respect myself. Okay, we're going to move to the eyebrow. I am ready to let go of any stress I feel. Just lightly tapping. Side of eye. I feel my tension melt away. Under eye. I let go of fear and worry. Under nose. I feel more relaxed with each breath. Chin. I choose to fully relax. Collarbone. I let my muscles relax. Underarm. I am filled with calm energy as I know the universe has my back. top of head. I allow my mind and body to be filled with calming energy. I'm feeling better already. Okay, eyebrow. I choose calm energy now. Side of eye. I'm letting go of any negative thinking that stops me from relaxing. Under eye. I choose to embrace peaceful energy. Under nose. I am safe in this moment. Chin. I feel my mind slowing down. Collarbone. Peace washes over me. Underarm. I release all negative emotions. Top of head. I am centered. Eyebrow. I am grateful for who I am. Side of eye. I choose to relax. Under eye. I let go of any negative thought patterns. Under nose. I appreciate how relaxed I feel now. Chin. My body is relaxed. Collarbone. I am calm and peaceful now. Underarm. All is well. Top of head. I choose to find this moment of relaxation whenever I need to, however I am. Now take a deep breath in and release that breath slowly. Check in with how you're feeling. Do you feel more relaxed, more calm? Practice this sequence as often as you need to. Thank you so much for being here, for watching this video. I'll be back again next Monday with another EFT tap along sequence. And don't forget that on Fridays I upload videos related to my beauty product obsession, addiction, call it what you will, where I review different skincare and other hair care and so on. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.